Hi there, beautiful. Right now you're watching 2025 Braids Hairstyles to try. You'll surely find amazing and beautiful braids hairstyles you may want to rock this year. Very lovely and gorgeous braids hairstyle looks for you to look really amazing and beautiful. We of course want the best look for you always, so anytime you tune into our channel, you're sure to find one or two styles you may want to try out for yourself, and of course you can see something really new you haven't seen before. Go right ahead and subscribe, especially as a first timer on this channel. Remember to leave us a like right after watching, especially if you do find a wonderful style to try out for yourself. Also remember to share the video with friends and family so that someone out there will be helped with all the amazing videos we'll be posting this year. It's a wonderful time to look good on braids, and we are sure to find all the latest and juicy hairstyles we can find, provided it's used a braiding hair extension to achieve that look. Keep it there to us here always. You take care and bye.